This is activity 5.1, creating user accounts. We're going to create a user account or multiple user accounts with different account options. So we're going to start out by clicking Start, going to Administrative Tools, Active Directory Users and Computers, and we'll see that we have one user and one test group from a previous activity. So what we want to do is add a new user to the test OU. So we'll click on user and we'll give him a test first name and a user3 last name. And let's go test user3 as a username. And we'll click next. And I want to give him a password. So now he has a password. We want to change, user must change password next to log on because he knows his password already. So we're just going to leave it at that, and that's what he wants to keep it at. So let's click next, and we'll click finish, and we'll see that test user 3 comes up. Now I want to do something because this is something that I've been playing around with, and I'd like to add them into this group because they're administrators. Otherwise, I am not able to get them to log in. So let's go and add a test user 3. And now he shows up in that group, so he's now an administrator. So now we can actually go and log off, and let's try and log in with him. Test user 3, put in his password, and now we are creating a new account for him. So now that has been created. Let's log back off. I want to go back out to the administrator. And we're going to create another account. Let's log in real quick as the administrator. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go back into that test OU once again. So let's go to Administrative Tools, Active Directory Users and Computers, and we'll go back to this test OU. Let's create another user. Call his first name test, last name user4, and test user4. And we're going to click next, and we're going to click the appropriate password again. And now we're going to take this off there. He can never change it, but we also want to disable this account. So we'll click next and we'll click finish. So now you'll be able to see that there is a little down arrow right next to this user. What that represents is that the account is disabled at this time. So now let's go to the users folder, and you'll see a guest account. You'll also see the exact same thing here. The down arrow means that it is disabled. So those are examples of disabled accounts. That is all that I have for you in 5.1. Thank you.